Welcome to Learn Wealthy, your go-to channel for real estate insights, market charts, and golden opportunity. Let's build wealth together.
Hey everyone, it's James Santiago, and welcome back to your series, Selling Your Home Complete Guide. In the first episode, we talked about how to know if it's the right time to sell. Today, we're diving into one of the most important steps in the selling process, preparing your home for sale. From decluttering to repairs and home staging, we've got you covered with tips that will help make your home stand out and attract buyers. So let's get started. Let's break it down. Decluttering your home. First up, let's talk about decluttering. You'd be amazed at how much of a difference a clean and organized space can make. Buyers want to see the potential of your home, not your personal items. So here's what you should focus on. Remove personal items like family photos, personal collections, and anything that makes the space feel specific to you, the seller. You want buyers to envision themselves living in the space. Declutter countertops, shelves, and closets. Yes, even closets. Buyers will open them, and if they're packed full, it gives the impression that there's not enough storage space. Keep things minimal and tidy. Donate or pack away items you don't need for day-to-day living. Less is more when showing your home. Think of it as getting a head start on packing. If you haven't used that fondue set since 2005, now's probably a good time to say goodbye. Now let's move on to repairs. You don't have to go overboard with renovations, but small fixes can make a big difference in how buyers view your home. Fix any obvious issues. Leaky faucets, broken light fixtures, chipped paint, or cracked tiles. These are little things, but they can make buyers think your home hasn't been well maintained. Freshen up the paint. A fresh coat of neutral paint can make your home look brighter and cleaner. Stick to light colors like soft grays, whites, or beiges. These give a modern, inviting feel and help buyers imagine their own furniture in the space. Check your curb appeal. First impressions matter, so make sure your lawn is mowed, bushes are trimmed, and any exterior issues like peeling paint or loose gutters are addressed. A little landscaping can go a long way. If your front yard looks like the set of a horror movie, that might scare off buyers before they even step inside. Next up, let's talk about home staging. This is where you can really make your home shine. Create a welcoming entry. This is the first space buyers will see when they walk in. Make sure it's clean, inviting, and clutter-free. Adding a simple console table with a vase of fresh flowers or a stylish mirror can add a nice touch. Highlight your home's best features. If you got a cozy fireplace, arrange the furniture to make it the focal point of the room. If your home has great natural light, make sure to open up the curtains and let the sun shine in. Let the sun shine in. Keep it simple and neutral. The goal of staging is to create a blank canvas for buyers. Stick with neutral decor that appeals to a wide audience and avoid bold or eccentric styling that might not be to everyone's taste. Optional tip: consider hiring a professional stager, especially if you have an empty home. They know how to arrange furniture and decor in a way that maximizes space and make your home more attractive to buyers. Photos and videos. Once your home is decluttered, repaired, and staged, it's time to capture it in its best light. Professional photos and video tours are crucial these days, since most buyers will see your home online before visiting in person. Hire a professional photographer. They know how to showcase your home's best features and make it look more spacious and inviting. Consider a video tour or 3D walkthrough. These are especially helpful for buyers who may be moving from out of town or who prefer virtual tours before deciding to visit in person. And there you have it. A decluttered, well-prepared, and beautifully staged home is much more likely to impress buyers and get more offers rolling in. Taking these steps can make a huge difference in how quickly your home sells and for how much. If you like these tips and want more insights into selling your home, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of Selling Your Home, a Complete Guide. Next time, we'll be talking about pricing your home right, how to work with your real estate agent to list your home effectively. If you're in the Houston area and you need a real estate agent with a lot of experience in buying, selling, and investing in real estate, I'll put my email down below and in the descriptions. For more finance, investing, real estate, and macroeconomics, let's all learn wealthy together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.